This is the Star of David model of the Swiss knife, and it is in a blue handle with the Star of David logo emblem printed on the side. Now you can actually get this particular knife. This is what I would call a dress knife. You can get it with different colored handles and different emblems on the side. This is the Star of David. And you can see here that, like most Swiss Army knives, it has a toothpick. It has a small pair of tweezers. On the one side it has some scissors. On the other side we have a knife blade and a flathead screwdriver with a nail file. So lots of little tools built into a handy knife that is small enough that it is not obtrusive even in a pair of dress slacks. So that is the Star of David Swiss Army knife by Victorinox. And if you follow the link below this video, you will be able to see where you can buy it directly from SwissKnifeSupplies.com.